everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great trading day today. We'll start off this evening with Forex. Monster Scalper in particular, guys. You guys know we've closed most of the longs. All right. We've closed most of the longs. We're starting to see some shorts coming. All right. So we've got some new short positions, 4 new short positions. We'll go over those. But keep in mind here, all right, Forex is consolidating. All right. So we have fewer pairs that are moving into the markup phase or markdown phase. All right. So things are slowing a bit. Just be aware of that. All right. Most of those, if not all of those yen pairs closed. All right. With quite a bit of profit, but here they are. Here is a dollar yen. All right. That's your Singapore dollar yen right here. All right. So they've all closed. Pay attention to that. Here is pound yen. Great trade here. So what could happen is we could get another buy signal. All right. Get into that reaccumulation phase. All right. Or break support. So just keep that in mind. If just trade lightly. We do have some current positions. We'll add some new shorts this evening, but just remember that things are slowing a bit in Forex. All right. US 30 or US 30 traders. We got a sell signal on the 240. All right. So very similar to this sell signal here. All right. And then a bounce almost immediately after it closed, long closed. We got some buying to come in. Hey, Mike, welcome, Mike. Welcome. All right. So just keep that in mind. Now, on the daily time frame, all right, on the US 30, all right, still all green candles. All right. Wants to break through that resistance. We do have a purple support and resistance there. What's encouraging is that on the NAS, all right, the NAS and the S&P, right, those are holding fine so far. So here's the NAS right here holding. Again, purple support and resistance. And then S&P is right here. All right, so great longs, but the US 30 is struggling a bit. All right, but got a nice bounce today after it closed. All right, so let's go through current positions. The current positions in Monster Scalper. Okay, current positions in Monster Scalper, and we've added a few shorts also. All right. All right, so USD CHF, guys, dollar, right? USD CHF, buy signal here, all the way down here. Good trade going, right? Broke through first resistance right here, all right? And now it looks to get through second resistance. So great trade right here, all right? Now we've got a third level here, third resistance all the way up here. If it gets all the way up here, guys, that's for, currently it's for, gosh, what's that? About 700 pips. All right. Remember this on the 240. All right. If it gets up here, that's for a ton of pips. Okay. And it looks like it wants to break through our resistance here. So USD HUF. All right. Let's take a quick look at the dollar index. Dollar index is holding. It's up currently in the futures market. We just still need a buy signal. All right, still need a buy signal for those dollar pairs to really take off. Previous buy signal was right here. All right, now keep in mind, if the dollar starts moving higher, that will put pressure, all right, on equities, all right, stock market. So just keep that in mind. All right, keep that in mind. All right, so USD HUF, right, buy signal here, holding nicely. We needed to break through that resistance. Nothing to do. No white candles, no red candles here. All right. So don't Don't bother the trade. Stay in it. Hold on. All right, pound New Zealand. All right, another long here. This one is holding. All right, buy signal all the way down here. Again, for tons of pips, guys. All right. Um, buy signal all the way down here. This a little over 700 pips. All right. Now that's I know it's going to be different, a little different, but about 700%, roughly 700%. All right. The calculation on the pips are a little different. All right, but you get the idea. Pound New Zealand buy signal here all the way up here. Green candles here. Right, looking to test resistance here. Just remember, this is where sellers are sitting, but great trade here. Pound Aussie. Pound Aussie. All right, this one closed. All right, so if anyone is in Pound Aussie, go ahead and close the trade. All right, made it all. What a perfect trade. Perfect trade in here with Pound Aussie. All right, buy signal was here after a really good markdown phase. All right. Here is where we have sellers. Sellers are sitting here. All right here. We can count this. We can count this. All right. Broke support right here. Sell signal. This white arrow here by our system to close the trade. Amazing trade in here. All right. So basically got the whole bottom, all of the bottom here, and got out right at the top. All right. So Pound Aussie, close that trade, please. Lots of pips here. All right. Pound Aussie. All right. Now we've got some shorts. So let's take a look at the shorts we've added. So we see shorts coming in. I would just trade lightly, but we do have some opportunities. Hold on. All right. So we have some new shorts here. Euro yen. All right. Again, if you guys are going to trade these, just trade them lightly. Here is your markup phase. Let's draw it out. All right. Markup phase. Here's your markdown. All right. All right. Here's your markdown. Here's your sell short signal right here on the breakup support right here. Hey, Michael, welcome. Welcome, Michael. First target, guys, let's put it here. All right. First target. We've got some decent support. I would say, let's see if we can get to this area. The next target all the way down here. All right. So euro, yen. But those yen pairs are tricky. All right. They could continue to move higher. So, all right, just again, trade lightly. Euro Aussie. Euro Aussie. Sell short signal. There's your markup. There's your markdown. Sell short signal broke support. And then we've got first target. Again, these are not, if the market really turn, these will do well, but trade lightly. All right. Euro Aussie. USD N, okay. All right. Hopefully we get another short like this. Look at this short here from here to here. This short from here to here. All right. And we have a new short signal there. Okay. But that USDN, okay. You guys saw what's going on with the dollar. So this one could flip. So if you get a white, I would say if you get a green candle, get out quickly, okay. Hey, Anthony, welcome, Anthony, welcome. All right, so we have 4 shorts this evening here. All right, your target on this, guys, is right here. All right, we've got decent support here. All right, so sell short signal here, buy to cover, good trade. Sell short, buy to cover, and we've got a new short signal here. But again, trade lightly. Okay. USD NOK. The last short we've got here, EUR NOK. So the NOK, right? They're making a move, right? Previous sell short right here. This one failed. Great short here. Here we are right now. All right. We haven't had any shorts in a while. So now this one is nearing support here. So, all right, it's not coming out of that distribution phase. So our target support is down here. All right. But guess what? If it breaks that support, it could go much lower. All right. So, all right. So we've got some new shorts. And again, your longs, current longs in Monster Scalper, current longs. All right. Pound Aussie close. Remember that. Okay. Now we'll look if buyers come back in, give another buy signal. All right. We can certainly get back in. USD HUF. Again, just a reminder, right? Great trade going here, tons of pips, looking to break through resistance here, second target here. And then pound New Zealand, right? Buy signal here. Looking for the target to break through resistance here. But keep an eye on this one, purple support and resistance. Okay. All right. Forex dominator. Let's go through those. We've got to do these every evening. USD, hold on. EURTRY holding right at resistance, guys. All right, holding its buy signal. Here it is right here. All right, so nothing to change there. USD TRY, that's trading up nicely. Look at that. All right, trading up nicely. EUR CZK. All right, a bit of a pullback. All right, trading right at resistance. Purple support and resistance came in. All right, I would say we'll leave it for now. You get a white candle, close the trade. EUR CZK, get a white candle there, close the trade. All right, especially if it gets back into, right, breaks that previous resistance, becomes support anywhere in here, close the trade. EUR CZK. Pound New Zealand. Pound New Zealand holding, moving up nicely. Pound GBP PLN, buy signal here. Look at that, moving up nicely. Here's your first target here. Pound SGD, right? That's holding well. USD CZK, buy signal here. That's holding. So the pairs are holding fine in Forex Dominator. Keep an eye on CAD Yen. All right. Keep an eye on CAD Yen. Holding right here. All right. We need a bounce. All right. We need a bounce. All right. Now, equity markets were up, like I said, right? All right, here. All right. So the Dow was up, NASDAQ was up, S&P was up, and the Russell. Okay. So just remember here, our US 30 traders. All right. So right here, just remember that long position close, we got to bounce here almost immediately after that close. All right. Now, here we are on the daily time frame. We do have a purple support and resistance here. All right. The Dow, I tell you, it's great bounce today, but the NAS, here is the NAS, purple support and resistance. I personally and my opinion doesn't matter, it's what the market does. I really think we're due for some selling in the equity markets. Okay. But that could change. I mean, look at this. We have a lot of purple here. That's not good. What that means is price is being stretched. All right. It's being overbought. All right. Overbought. On the daily, right? We don't have that, but on the 240, definitely being overbought. So we could see now we're going to trade it as it is, right? As is, but just be aware that all of these purple support and resistance is definitely a sign. And especially the Dow, the US 30, it is struggling. It is struggling to move higher. All right. All right. So just be aware of that. With all of these markets right now, trade lightly. Trade lightly. Okay. Let's take a look at Stock Boss. We did add a couple of stocks. I will take a look at those. We'll go through these. As always, if we've got a white candle, just hold on. Red candle, close the position. White arrow, close the position. All right. So this one here, UP, white candle, pay attention to it. All right. All right. Pay attention to it there. This one is holding ZIM, holding fine, looking to get past resistance here. Good price action. All green candles here. Really, really good price action. Hey, Betty, welcome, Betty, welcome. All right, really good price action. So that's good. We needed to break the resistance and then get to this resistance up here. All right, CLVT, we've got a white candle here. Pay attention to it. Now, this is where we got selling before. All right, so pay attention. Look to your left. All right, this is where sellers came in, right? Almost identical here. Okay, so white candles, thin, red candles. So keep an eye on that. All right, if you want to take profits, that's fine. All right, this one here, HCAT, this is exactly what we want to see. After these white candles, nice big bounce here. Green candles, so buyers are stepping back in right at support here. So that's good. All right, nice markdown phase. All right, that's holding well. Holding well. Look at that. Good price action there. Look at this one heading towards that resistance. First target. That's holding. Nice price action here. All right. Good markdown phase. Accumulation markup. Good candles here heading to its first target. Let's bring in a second target here. All right. Target or resistance. Second resistance here. Okay. CYHN. Okay. All right, FULC, buy signal here, right? Got through resistance here, next target here. All right, good price action. All right, good. This is a new one here we sent out, okay? So LXRX. So this is a new one. All right, so if you guys are looking for a new trade, all right, this is a good one. It's inexpensive too. All right, so the buy signal on this one is 178. But again, trade lightly. All right, so we'll put in our target right here where the sellers came in before, right? See here, red candles is where the sellers came in, the markdown phase. All right, so remember to bring in your lines. There's your markdown phase. All right, here's your markup. Buy signal here. All right, so here's where we get in. Okay, all right, LXRX. Okay, that's a new one today. This one is holding. NGM. All right, looks good. Look at that. Good price action. This one here, guys, look at this. The buy signal on this one, okay? And what's that? NKTX buy signal was at $2, right at $2, guys. Trading right now at 8.90. That's a really good risk reward there. Next area here, if we can get past this resistance, which is $12, next area, let's move that up here, about $16. All right, so great trade going. If anyone caught this, all right, just hold on tight. All right, great trade going there. All right, that's holding fine. All right, OMER, you've got a white candle here, but it's holding. Okay. All right. Just hold on, keep an eye on it. Same thing here. Nice bounce here. All right. White candles, it's holding. We need buyers. Green candles to come in. QD. All right. STKL still looks good. All right. Let's bring in a target here. All right. So this is where the sellers came in. So buy signal here. 440 trading at 595. All right. That's holding. So no changes in stock boss. All right. And we've added one new symbol. Let's take a look at Bull Master. This is a bit more expensive. And we don't have a lot, right? We've slowed down. ALGN, that's holding. White candle, keep an eye on it. AMD, look at AMD, guys. All right, nice big candles today. They're continuing to buy it. All right, so just hold on if you're in it. Looks good here. That's holding. Good job. CTLT, all right, looking to break through resistance, right? Good price action. Looking to get to next target here. All right, good trading there. All right, good. That's holding. Good job. That's holding. Good markdown phase. A lot of purple support and resistance. Okay, so price is under pressure. Keep that in mind. All right, all green candles though. So I'm still holding here. All right. All right, that's breaking resistance. Good job. That's holding. Really good markdown phase with this one here, guys. All right, nice markdown phase. All right, purple support and resistance. But if you look here, all right, it's moving up every day. It's on the daily time frame, so we're making higher lows. So it's moving up, slowly moving up. If we can get past this area here, we could see it make a push all the way up here. Okay. All right, this one is breaking resistance. This is what we want to see here. Look at that. All right, breaking resistance here. Next target. All right, so buy signal was at, let's open it up, at 84, trading at 113 now. Good one for calls here. Next target, 124. If you can get past this area, 124. All right, next target, 160. Good trade. All right, this is holding. S buy signal here all the way up here, and it's holding. All right, if you can get past this resistance, there's a lot of indecision here, lots of consolidation, big resistance here. So it is struggling, but holding. All right, we just need a buyers to come in, push it higher, test resistance up here. But great trade so far. All right. TEX, big move today. All right. Buy signal is here. Big candle came in today, almost right, approached its resistance. All right. So market is up tomorrow. We could see follow through, probably gap up with that type of buy-in, right? On the close of the day, we could possibly see where the price gaps up in the morning, breaks through that resistance. We'll know on Sunday when we take a look at these again. A new position we added. We send this out to our bull master traders, all right, earlier. So XPRO, all right, buy signal here, right, buy signal here, but we got in, we send it out to about right there. So that's only a point. So that looks good there. All right, so descent markdown phase right here, and gap down too, and it's filling that gap. It's trying to fill that gap right there. All right. Here's our V here. And then our target, this is where sellers came in before. Right here. All right, let's see if we can get past this area. So sellers, this is where sellers came in, here and here. All right, good support down here. All right, good support down here. All right, so XPRO. All right. And then this one here is holding white candles here. Pay attention. We had another new trade, OGN. Let's find it in here. We send out today, right here, OGN. All right, so OGN also looks good. Okay. Very long markdown phase. So good selling. So fell from, what's that, 32 to 12, actually 11. All right, buy signal came in at 14, almost 15. And trading at 16 and change. So it's still in the neighborhood right here. Right? First target resistance right here. Okay, this is where sellers came in here. If it could get past this area, next area here, next target right here, where sellers came in here. You guys can see that clearly here. All right, so good trade here. And for bull master, that's inexpensive. Okay, all right. So two positions added in bull master: OGN and XPRO. And in stock boss, we've got LXRX. Okay. All right. Want to take a quick look at Monster Futures. See what's going on there. And then we'll be done early. We don't have a lot. We'll finish up early. Just remember, guys, things are slowing down. You can tell by the market movement, okay? Things are slowing down a bit. So just be careful. Trade lightly. All right, we're going to run. Now, this takes a while here. So Monster Futures long, and this one ran already. So while that's running, let's take a look at the shorts. So this is treasuries. All right, nothing here. All right, keep an eye on our monster futures traders. Um, this is setting up for a short. So which one is this? Your 30-year, um, your 30-year treasury notes right here. All we need is a sell short signal. Look at the previous short, guys. Look at the no guarantee that the next short will do this, but amazing short. So, all right, sellers are coming in. Well, we just need a sell short signal here. Now, this is VIX. All right, that short is over on the VIX. It's still, they're still coming in here, showing here, but that short is over on the VIX. Let's see here. All right. All right, here is more VIX. Soybean is usually a great short. Boy, that's low in the markdown phase there. Here's a short here, but boy, look at that. We could get buyers to come in right here, just like they did before. So those are usually a good short, but I think that short is over. Shorted here, new short here. That trade is over. Um, all right. So just keep an eye on treasuries. All right. The 30, in particular, the 30, right? 30-year. That's the 30-year here. Okay. Let's take a look at the longs, see what's going on there, and then we'll be done. All right, feeder cattle. You guys know we have feeder cattle and the S&P. Okay, so we've got two trades. All right, so here's feeder cattle, made a big break, guys. Look at that. Broke resistance, big way today. All right. And then S&P continuing to move nicely up. Okay. So let's see if we can add any more. Usually when Forex slows down, equity slows down, futures will start to move. Okay. Let's see right here. All right. So crude oil is showing up here. See if we can get buy signals. All right. So here's your markdown phase. Here was the previous markup. Markdown, big candle here. So we might get a buy signal soon here. So we'll keep an eye on crude. All right, make a note. Crude. Long. Now we're not entering yet. Just making a note in monster futures. All right. So crude oil trying to make a move. All right, hold on. All right, nothing here. Oh yeah, look at crude. Look at crude, guys. Crude is showing up. Crude is showing up. All here, crude. Look at that crude. This might be the next trade in monster futures. Okay, look at that. All of this is crude. Look at that. All of this here is crude, guys. So all we waiting for is a buy signal. Right here. All of this. So they're definitely looking at crude. And when I say they, I made the big institutions. Look at it. All of this is crude. Crude has basically taken over. All of this is crude. All right. So S&P, we know we're in the S&P already. Let's take a look at the Russell here. All right. Good trade in the Russell. All right. Good trade here. But we have the S&P already. Feeder cattle, we've got that already. All right, feeder cattle. Gold, not a lot in gold here. Lean hogs usually makes a move. Let's see here. All right, so we'll add lean hogs, guys. Okay. All right. Let's see which one. And we'll be done after this. All right. Let's do this one. At LHG in Monster Futures. And that's lean hog. Lean hog will move. All right, let's bring first target here. And look at this, came from a high all the way up here, okay? So it's had some selling here. A little choppy, but all right, and we'll send this out. So lean hog, live cattle. Let's take a look at live cattle. Live cattle will move too. Oh, all right. We'll get a buy signal here soon. All right, so live cattle, I am liking. Look at this, guys. Really good trade here. Live cattle. Live cattle, we've traded it before. So we'll add this one here. In Monster, again, Monster Futures. All right, so that's how it happens, guys. They rotate. So as these markets are slowing, right, these other markets will start moving, okay? So live cattle here. All right, here's your markdown phase. So it's good to see Monster Futures moving again. We go from one market to the next, okay? All right, here is where sellers came in right here, all right? Markdown, broke resistance, mark up, big candle here, buy signal right here, okay? All right, so that's live cattle, and we've got quite a bit here, live cattle here. So lean hog, live cattle, and definitely crude. Here's micro crude. So let's see. I don't think crude is ready. It's setting up, but not ready yet. Yeah, not ready yet. So just if I forget, remind me to look at crude on Sunday. All right. Russell. Great trade in the Russell. Similar to, it's basically the same trade with the S&P. Okay. And I think that's it. But crude, guys, look here. Tons of crude. Tons of crude. Feeder cattle, we in that. But look here. Lots of crude here. All so I'm going to take a quick look at energy here. See what it's doing. And I promise we'll be done. Energy is right here. All right. So they had a sell-off in energy, and they're looking to take it back up now. Okay. I see what they're doing. Okay. All right, so it hit support down here. So crude oil is basically energy, guys. So what they've done is it's hit a support down here. All right, markdown phase. So it's lining up also in the sector is also lining up. Buyers are coming in here. All right, so crude oil might be the next decent trade in monster futures. All right, guys. That's it. That's all we've got. I will see our traders tomorrow. All right, our monster traders tomorrow for um, roundtable. Beginning traders will have webinar on Saturday. All right. Everyone else, I'll see you guys on Sunday. All right. Take care. Be careful. Trade lightly. All right. Markets are changing up. All right. So trade lightly. All right. Take care, guys. Have a good evening. Thanks for coming. Bye bye.